do now is go in, build activity codes with the two values, and those values are building A, building B, and assign them to the different activities. So first, I go to Enterprise from the menu bar, hit the drop down and choose Activity Codes. Okay. You see I have a couple options here. Right now it's Global is the radio button that's selected, but I'm going to choose Project only because I want these specific activity codes to be on my schedule and I want to be the only one who has access to them. So, to build the code, I hit Modify, go down to the new dialog box that pops up and choose Add. And I'm going to give this code a title of Building. Hit Close. Now you see, here's the project title, building shows behind it, and I'm going to hit Add to create two new values. So this is building A, and this second one is building B. So I hit Close. So I have the code for building. I have the two values for building A and building B. Now what I need to do is go in and assign these to the individual activities. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is make a minor adjustment to the screen just to make the data entry a little easier. Okay, looking at in the activity ID column, you see all these A's. Those are going to be assigned a building A, and all the B's will be assigned building B. Go into the columns, create a new column for this activity code that I just created. So go to Activity Codes, Project, drag building over to the bottom, and here it shows all the way on the right side. So all of these A activities are going to be assigned to building A. So I can really go ahead and select all of the A activities, assign activity codes, and assign A. And then for B, highlight those activities, double click on B. Okay. Now what I can do is go in and create groupings. Just like I displayed on the dry erase board. I want one grouping for building A, the second for building B. Right click, go to Group and Sort. Below this WBS, under the Group By section, I want to find that activity code that I created, which was called Building. And group it by building. So here you go. We have Global PM Office expansion with all of the building A activities at the top and all of the building B activities at the bottom. Okay, so if you look up at the screen here, you see we have two categories. Building A represents these activities at the top. Building B representing all the activities beneath it. If you look to the right side of the screen, you'll see all of the activities for building A. Most of them are non-critical. And the activity B building activities, or rather building B activities, those are represented in red. Therefore, they are critical in driving out the finish of this project. Thanks for watching.